Alright guys, the last part that we need to install is our power supply. So get your power supply and put it inside your case from the back and let it set right so it fits with the screw holes on your case, just like this. Now another thing, you want to make sure that you use the screws that came with your power supply, and you don't want to use the ones that came with your case. Now go ahead and start screwing it in. And there you go. Once we have our power supply mounted, we are ready to start plugging in our components and giving them all power, juicing them up. The first thing I hook up is our 24-pin main motherboard connector. And to do this, it's real easy. Just push that in until it clicks. Come on, baby. There you go. Next, let's go ahead and hook up our optical drive. To do that, you need one of these 4-pin connectors right here. And go ahead, take your 4-pin connector and plug that right in to your optical drive. The next thing we're going to want to do is hook up our hard drive. So let's go ahead and take our 4-pin connector and once we got everything hooked up, we are good to go. So now that we juiced up all our components and gave them all power, the last thing that we have to do is put on our side panel. And after we do this, we are ready to go and our computer is ready to turn on and get an operating system installed in it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to build a computer. And I actually have a surprise for you in my next video. So you do want to watch. There's one more video left in this series and I think you're going to enjoy it a lot. Thanks. And there you have it, guys. Our very own custom built computer. And again, one last time, I'm going to have a surprise for you in my next video, and all of you will enjoy it very, very much. So make sure to watch my next video. Thanks.